So today I'll be showing you how to use pop-up windows on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. So let's say you have a specific app that you want to have as a pop-up floating on your screen as you do other things. You can do that. So let me use YouTube because that's probably the app you'd want to do this most with. So I'm gonna launch the YouTube app and then even play a video like this one. Okay. Now just go into multitasking mode. And once you do that, and you can see all the apps running, tap on the app icon and then select open in pop-up view. Now you can see that app is now in pop-up view, and I can do other things on my phone while this video plays. So I'm just gonna play it right here, as you can see, and I can move it exactly where I want on the screen. Okay, I can resize it, make it bigger or smaller, move it around, and I can continue while that app is in pop-up view. Okay, let's go to the Photos app, tap on select all the videos and photos. So that's basically how to use apps or how to use pop-up view windows on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.